it's Sarah from The Happy Hootie, and I'm here today to introduce you to this amazing product that a friend of mine showed me about last year. And I fell in love with it, and I've bought pretty much every flavor that I can get my hands on because it's so simple and you're making a homemade item with very little effort. I mean, who doesn't really love that? So what it is a Spice and Slice is the brand, and I'll put the link down below so you guys can find it as well. But it is a packet of spice that all you have to do is add your own meat to it. So we buy our whole cow, and we try to find interesting and creative ways to use that meat. And my friend actually introduced me to this jerky mix because my husband loves beef jerky, but it's so expensive, I don't really want to pay for all that. But to buy a pound of meat and a box of this, you get 3 of them in here for, it's like $7 with some shipping added on as well. So today we are gonna make this summer sausage bologna mix because we really like to go camping and we're getting ready to head out for a camping trip. And I can just have the summer sausage, put it in the RV with us. You get some crackers and some cheese, and we are set for our lunches. So simple, so cheap, so easy. Let me show you how to do it. So today I'm gonna be making up this bologna mix. Like I said, it just has the packet, and on the back of it, it tells you what you need to have. It doesn't require any sort of casing or anything special like that. It's literally your 2 pounds of ground meat. Like I said, I always do the ground beef because we have a whole cow. This calls for a 1/3 cup of water, and then you mix it up. I'm going to cut open my ground beef and add it into my mixer. Of course, you can hand stir it as well. But I got this amazing KitchenAid. It said you can use venison or turkey, moose, elk, pork, whatever you want to cook with, that's what you can use. And then you take a 1/3 cup of water. So I've already pre-measured out my 1/3 cup of water. I'm gonna pour that in there. And I'm gonna add in my packet. And it has the salt and seasonings and everything that you would need to be able to make the summer sausage all by yourself. We are going to turn our oven onto 300. You don't need a dehydrator or anything special for this. You just turn your oven on 300, you're ready to go. As our oven heats up, you're actually supposed to have a wire rack so all the grease can drip through. I don't have a wire rack, so I'm just kind of making my own with a pizza sheet over a pan with a little liner in it. If you have a wire rack, obviously that's a better way to go, but I don't. So we are going to use what we have. I'm going to get my meat out and portion it into 2 sections. You're going to end up with 2 logs worth of summer sausage. I'm going to get out my 2 sections. Try to make them fairly even here. It is sticky, so if you want to wear gloves or whatever, that's fine. I'm a country girl. If I get my hands dirty, that's just part of it. Okay, once you get the 2 sections that look pretty even to you, you take them and you roll them out into about 12 inches long is how long they want them to be. All right, I have my 2 rolls, roughly 12 inches. On my little makeshift drip pan. I've got my oven heated to 300 degrees, so I'm just going to put my pan in here. And then you're supposed to bake it for 1 hour. I'm going to set a timer for 1 hour, and we will be back to check on it. All right, our hour timer has gone off, so let's take a look. There it is, all cooked up. So we are going to pull it out now and let it rest. You can see it's hard now. So it is now finished. And the little grease tray, you can see it did cut some of the grease down there. So I am going to let it cool and then we will cut into it and enjoy. Now that we have this whole thing finished, you can either refrigerate it whenever it's all cooled off, or you can freeze it and have it later. Whatever you do with it, enjoy it. It is an easy homemade recipe that you don't have to go out and buy all the extra spices for and look at recipes to see how much of everything to put in there. And for $6.99 for 3 of them, that makes a lot of summer sausage. I really enjoy it, and I hope you do too. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.